Hi guys, I'm Teacher Batul and welcome to my channel, My ESL Nook. And in this little corner, you'll find lots of fun and simple videos to help you with your English learning. So let's get started. In today's video, we'll be looking at 20 common idioms. These will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. Okay, so the first one is break the ice. It means to start a conversation in a social setting. At the party, John told a funny story to break the ice. Piece of cake. Something very easy to do. The math test was a piece of cake for her. Hit the nail on the head. Now this is to describe exactly what is causing a situation or a problem. You hit the nail on the head when you said he was lazy. Spill the beans. To reveal a secret. Don't spill the beans about the surprise party. Under the weather. Feeling sick or unwell. I'm not going to work today. I feel under the weather. Bite the bullet. Now this is to endure a painful situation that is unavoidable. She decided to bite the bullet and visit the dentist. Cut to the chase. To get to the point without wasting time. Let's cut to the chase and discuss the main issue. Let the cat out of the bag. This is when you accidentally reveal a secret. He let the cat out of the bag about the surprise trip. Once in a blue moon. It's something that happens very rarely. They go out to dinner once in a blue moon. Break the bank. Something that is very expensive or it uses up all of your money. Buying that fancy car would break the bank for me. Costs an arm and a leg. Now this is similar. It also means very expensive. The new smartphone costs an arm and a leg. Hit the sack. To go to bed. I'm really tired, so I'm going to hit the sack. Burn the midnight oil. This is when you have to work late into the night. She burned the midnight oil to finish a project. Under the impression. It's when you believe something, often mistakenly. I was under the impression that the meeting was tomorrow. The ball is in your court. It's when it's your decision or responsibility to do something now. I've done all I can. Now the ball is in your court. Throw in the towel. It's when you want to give up or quit. After many failed attempts, he finally threw in the towel. Keep an eye on. This is when you have to watch or monitor someone or something very closely. Can you keep an eye on the baby while I cook dinner? Bark up the wrong tree. It's to pursue a mistaken or misguided course of action or notion. If you think I took your book, you're barking up the wrong tree. Don't judge a book by its cover. So not to judge something based on its appearance alone. He may look unfriendly, but don't judge a book by its cover. A blessing in disguise. It's when something seems awful or bad at first, but it actually ends up being good. Losing that job was a blessing in disguise because it led me to a better one. Well, thank you guys for hanging out at My ESL Nook. If you enjoyed this video and want more fun English learning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.